everyone. Thank you so much for being here today. This is Anandita from Tarot Arc. Thanks a lot for dropping by, and thanks a lot for the lovely comments and feedback that you've been sending my way. So I'm back here with another pick a card reading for all you beautiful people, and this is for knowing what's going on in your health and anything that's bothering you, anything that you need to know regarding your health, any guidance that you need from the cards. Maybe you're confused regarding taking decisions, anything which is based, which is related to your health. This reading is meant for you. So I've made 3 piles here. This is pile number 1, the Rider-Waite Tarot deck with the golden quartz crystal on top. This is pile number 2, the Mystic Monday Tarot deck with the rose quartz crystal on top. And this is the third pile, the Art of Tarot deck with the amethyst crystal. So please think about yourself, think about your health, your general well-being, anything that's bothering you, any confusions, any decisions that you need to make, regarding your health. So you could use this reading as a guidance tool and choose your pile. Try and tap into the energies of these cards, energies of the crystals, anything that's attracting you, any energies that are calling you. Also, please remember that these are general readings, so they may or may not resonate with your situation completely. So please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. I'll see you at your pile. So let's see what's in store for people who've chosen pile number 1 regarding your health. What's going on? So for people who've chosen pile number 1, you might have had a stressful time in the past regarding your health, in your recent past, and because of that you're very much, you're a little scared or maybe a little skeptical. You're too much, and you've guarded yourself a lot. You're at you're not being able to move forward. Maybe the past is not letting you move forward, or because something major has happened in the past regarding your health, or something has, it's shaken you up. And even though things have become better now, things have become fine, and the Almighty has blessed you, there has been some kind of divine intervention, maybe you have recovered completely, but your past, or that stress that is coming from the past, or the situation that you have been in the past, it's not letting you move forward. You are not being able to let go of your past into the new beginning, into, you have this fear of the unknown, and something, that this has happened in the past and might again take place. So it's not gone from your mind, and there are like ups and downs that are going on in your lives regarding this health situation. Sometimes you feel you're fine, sometimes you feel no, maybe something is coming back from the past, it might happen. So even to take a, that feeling of, just breathing out, taking a sigh of relief, it just comes at some point in time, and then you're back to square one, that this has happened in the past, so you're not being able to move forward. Now it's about time that you release all these fears, release all these emotions that are coming back from the past, and everything is balanced out for you. Whatever was due to you has already been done, and now it's time to move forward. Let go of your past, believe in the universe, believe in the Almighty. Also, there is divine intervention, and things are definitely planned in a very positive manner for you when it comes to your health. And like I said, that everything is now balanced out. That particular health issue, or that particular health karma that had to come to you, has already come and gone. So now do not let that situation stop you from going ahead and stop you from living your life to the fullest for in the future, because it's you who's not ready to move on, or it's who you're skeptical. So you need to believe, you need to go with the flow, you need to trust the Almighty, you need to trust the universe that now everything is fine, and it's now the time is to forget and move forward. And it is definitely a beautiful time approaching. Things are definitely planned in a very positive manner. Remove this burden, remove this old responsibility or whatever has happened in the past with your health or something that's troubling you on the health front, and move ahead in the unknown. And the cards are extremely promising. It's definitely a beautiful time approaching you, a 360-degree change for you, and the recovery has already happened, or maybe you are still in the process of recovery. But the cards are very positive, and the cards are definitely very assuring that now it's the time to move forward and don't dwell in the past. Let go and move towards new beginnings that are planned for you. Also, your moonology cards are very positive. They are assuring you that your goal is very close and you are ready to achieve this new goal. So you definitely need to leave the past behind. Prosperity lies ahead for people who've chosen pile number 1. On the health front, a new start is beginning. So both the cards are going hand in hand, and a new start awaits you, a new tomorrow, a new beginning awaits you on the health front. So embrace it with open arms, trust in the universe. Everything has been planned. And also I see that this recovery is definitely more like a wish coming true. You asked something and you've got it. So why hold yourself back? Why feel scared of moving forward or being happy? It's today. You decide, I want to move forward, I want to forget the past, I want a new beginning. Maybe 2 days you believe in that, but the next day again you're in that feeling of, you know that no, it's not happening, I'm still scared, or I'm still, you need to just believe that a beautiful time awaits you. It's the end of a tough cycle. It's already, that cycle is over, or for a lot of you it's just about to get over. So now it's the time to take action, to move forward. Balance is on the cards. Balance yourself. Maybe you need to balance your spirituality as well as your practicality. And also for a lot of you, your universe, the divine, is testing your commitment to the divine. It's testing your faith. So a new change, a powerful change is definitely on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 1. And whatever has happened in the past has happened. Your bad phase of health, or a negative phase that you have seen in the past, or any stressful situation that has shaken you up in the past, has now definitely is now ready to leave you. And for a lot of you, it's already left you and gone. So please be ready to believe in the universe and go ahead without really thinking about what is in store for you, or without really contemplating that what has been, what will happen now, why will it happen, because everything is planned. Trust, have faith, and move forward, people who've chosen pile number 1. So I hope that the reading was resonant with you. Please leave in your comments and your feedback if the reading was resonant with you. I'll be coming back with more such readings. Also, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much once again. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 2. What's going on your health front? So for people who've chosen pile number 2, maybe you're really focused on your health in the past, or have been, something that maybe you've experienced some health issue or a minor issue on the health front, but you've just felt that maybe things are just under control and you don't need to really think about it, or you've ignored it, or it's made you confused, but you didn't really pay attention to it. You've just pushed it, that okay, when the time will come, I will address it. So yes, definitely now is the time you need to address your health issues. Also, You need to take control of your health, control of the situation, and understand that whatever this situation is, it will be dealt very soon, and it will be, things will get balanced out. But your fear of not really addressing this or thinking that the situation is under control, like you're just ignoring the situation because you're maybe fearful of what is going to come out of it. But the more you try and push it, or the more you just try to avoid it, it just leads to it getting further complicated. So yes, this is the right time for you to just take control of the situation, focus a lot on your health. If you've seen something, if something has come your way regarding your health, or if there is a minor health issue that is bothering you, just try and fix it. Take help, whatever is required, so that everything comes out clean. Also, don't be in any kind of misconception. You're just leading yourself into darkness unnecessarily because you feel that this issue doesn't need to be treated, or it doesn't require my attention. This is the right time, you're at the right point. The focus today on your health will definitely give you better results. Things will get balanced out at the right time, and whatever needs to be done will be taken care at this point in time. So yes, you need to just focus and don't wait any further. And you might feel a little burdened or a little exhausted or maybe anxious, but it's just a temporary phase. There is a little bit of anxiety on the cards, but it's definitely better to get it tested or treated, or taking some kind of medical help on any situation, anything that you are in. People who've chosen pile number 2, so that this phase of being in the dark or not really knowing where this is headed or what is actually bothering you is, you just need to deal with it, and you need to balance out the situation. And yes, success is on the cards. Things will, your work towards your health, or your giving attention to the health issues is definitely going to take you to a positive tomorrow, and things will get better for you. This negative phase or anything, even if some small minor glitches come out, or if some minor health problems comes out in your life, it's definitely going to get treated. It's nothing major. It's not an issue that you should be worried about. But treating it at the right time and not really avoiding is the guidance that the cards are giving. Think about your problems. Think about whatever issues there are, or maybe you're confused about whether to share it with somebody or whether to take medical help or anything on those lines. If you've been ignoring, just take control of your situation, discuss it with somebody, and see what solutions you get for your health. People who've chosen pile number 2, let's see what the mystical wisdom cards are guiding you regarding your health. Trust your intuition. So if something has been there and you've been avoiding it, maybe because you also feel somewhere deep down that this might be an issue, this might be something, and you're just being scared about the outcome, it's the time to just trust your intuition and go ahead following your intuition. Both the cards are very clear. You need to trust your intuition that yes, if you are feeling that there is something, you need to go ahead, make the best choices. Like I said, there must be some kind of confusion, there must be some kind of contemplation where you guys have to make a choice. Your issue might need some kind of medical help, and that's the right choice. So you need to make the best choices. You need to trust your intuition, and also just cheer up. Even if something comes out which is a little time taking, or it has taken a toll on your health, cheer up, live in this moment. Things will just get fine. Everything is temporary. Be in an attitude of gratitude. Be happy for the things you have. Be happy. Even if you come to know that there is a health issue, then also be happy, be grateful to the Almighty for letting you know about it at the right time. And celebration is on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 2. It might take some time, but things will just get better for you. Also, it's very important for you to get connected to your inner self. Meditation is very important so that you get the answers from your higher self. At this point in time, spiritual growth for the health front, for your betterment on the health front, maybe it's just a simple anxiety that has really taken a toll on yourself and you've just avoided it, and maybe you need to seek for some kind of medical help, anything that's on your mind. You need some kind of spiritual growth, so just try and connect to the Almighty, connect to yourself, connect to your higher self, ask for answers, release the negativity, and trust your intuition. People who've chosen pile number 2 regarding your health, and please focus on your health. Everything will be fine, but right now, the focus on the health is very important for people who've chosen pile number 2. So I hope the reading was resonant with people who chose pile number 2. Please leave in your comments and feedbacks if the reading was resonant. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. I'll be coming back with more such readings. Thank you so much once again. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 3 regarding your health, what the cards are telling you, and what guidance is in store for you. People who've chosen pile number 3, you need to take control of your health, and if there are issues, or even if you have felt slightest of issues on the health front, but you are just feeling that no, it's all balanced out, the near future definitely demands you, first of all, not to take stress, and also any confusions on the health front, anything that you feel this is something wrong, this is a minor thing, please try and focus, and do not avoid any small problem or health problem that comes your way. I do not see anything major, but yes, anything minor also on the health front, definitely just, even if a confusion is cropping up, it's better to clear your mind and just focus, okay, why it's happened. I do not see anything major. Again, I'm repeating, things are very crystal clear. It's all black is black, white is white. For people who've chosen this pile, if you feel that there is a botheration on the health front, or there is some kind of stress, there is something that's bothering you, you've noticed something in your health, just contemplate everything, see the best choices you have, just take some kind of help, and it's all sorted. Do not avoid anything, do not ignore anything that okay, it's not really big, it's not really small, it's better. You've seen it today, just go ahead, get it treated, and it's all sorted for you. It's a beautiful time coming your way. Things are going to be under control for you. A beautiful change. Balance is on the cards. So balance definitely shows that whatever is due to you is coming to you, and all the positive things are coming to you, with whatever little bit of negativity. Even like I said, if something is coming your way on the health front, or if there is something that's bothering you on the health front, it's going to be getting balanced, because the treatment or the solution is on the cards. It will get cured, or the problem will get solved very soon. New beginnings are there on the cards for people who've chosen this particular pile number 3. I'm again repeating, the cards are again repeating. Do not avoid anything, do not ignore anything, and do not leave things for maybe, I'll deal with this later, or oh, still things are under control, I can handle this later. Just address it. And also for people who've chosen this pile, 2.5 months from now, I definitely see you getting positive results. Even if things are a little stressful in the near future for you, it's all going to be sorted out. Your work, your work towards your health, your focus towards your health is definitely going to, give you results. For some of you, you might have to go through some kind of a surgery or something. For some of you, remember, these are general readings, everything is not true for all you people. This is very individual. Whatever is coming in the cards, to each is its own. Something may be true for you, something may not. So for some people, there could be surgery who've chosen pile number 3, but towards the end of it, there is celebration on the cards. Like I said, whatever efforts you put in, whatever anything on the health front is getting cured, is getting resolved. Listen to your intuition. Meditation is the key. Ask yourself whether you felt that yes, this thing needs a treatment or this thing needs a cure. I have faced this problem. Ask your higher self. Connect to yourself. Do not take stress. It's very clear in the cards. Do not take stress. Justice, balance, everything is on the cards for you, and the solution is there. And also for people who've chosen pile number 3, best wishes from people around you, or for from people who are surrounding you. They are all your well wishers, so there is no need to be having any feeling of not sharing this with somebody, or being in a feeling of what will people think if I have this kind of a problem. It's all fine. People around you will think very well of you, very brave of you, or they'll be very supportive, and whatever this phase is, whatever issues you might face, they will be sorted. It might be a negative period, but they will be sorted very soon. You will come out victorious. Everything will be set for you. If you need to find the correct help, like I said, you might have to make a lot of choices. There might be confusions, anything on those lines regarding your health, of choosing the right medical profession, the right place, whatever it is, any of those kind of things that are on the cards, they are very clear that you will yourself within the next 28 days know, okay, this was the problem, this is the solution, I'm on the right track, this is the set plan for my treatment, and I will be cured. It's all very simple, and I see contentment on the cards. Maybe some kind of dullness, some kind of stagnancy. Again, it's very general. For some, it might be resolved very soon. For some, it might just take some more time. But on the whole, you will come out victorious out of this. So do not ignore any situation. Just go ahead and, anything that's coming your way, just get it treated. And at the end of the day, whatever efforts you're putting along with that, divine intervention, seeking divine help, praying to the Almighty, and trusting the Almighty, having the complete belief that the Almighty is with you, that faith in the universe, that the universe will take care of you, will take care of this situation, is very important for people who've chosen this particular pile. Everything on the health front will be fine. Also, it's very clear you will feel loved, you will be surrounded by people who are extremely positive. So like I said, don't have any inhibitions about yourself in front of other people, and it's definitely a right time for you to address the situation and go ahead, seek help. A positive essence is filled in your life. This is a time for healing yourself. So anything, if there is a problem, there is a solution. Allow peace, stability, tranquility to enter your life, people who've chosen this particular pile. Also, this is a time now when the energy is that the next instruction from the heaven awaits you. So just receive these instructions, and with positive intent, we go ahead and deal with the situations. Also, great spiritual growth will be experienced for people who've chosen this pile, and very soon good news will approach. So like I said, just understand that the angels are watching over you. They are here to protect you. You just deal with your situation and rest, leave everything to the universe. You do your bit, you put your best effort that you need to, and rest. Everything will fall into place on your health front for people who've chosen pile number 3. It's nothing major, like I said, but yes, anything, if something is there, if something is bothering you, get it corrected at the right time. You will triumph over obstacles and stumbling blocks. The cards are definitely confirming. Have faith, have confidence in your life, and you will just be gifted with the power to heal yourself. And the energies around you are very positive. Your own aura is very positive, and it will help you to just repel any kind of negative thoughts or energies that are coming in your mind, or if anything on those lines is surrounding you, your own positivity will help you just to repel anything negative. So that was for you, pile number 3. I hope the reading was resonant with you. Please leave your comments and feedbacks in the comment section if the reading was resonant with you. Also, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. I'll be coming back with more such readings for you, and I just want you to stay tuned to my channel. Thank you so much once again. Take care and stay safe.